Hello, how are you today? Now we can start with what about basic drawing? Let's go. Basic drawing with subtema animal drawing. With me, Alida Kristinsari from Nusa Putra University. Preliminary drawing animal step is attempt to move object into two dimensions. Plan by observing an image and or directly looking at the object. Like what I say in last session, you must how to understand about animal, the character, the texture, or the basic shape. You must try to very attention the object you will drawing. Now we move to the this disclose of the image required a feeling according to the object depicted to display the precision of the shape, sense of volume, character, and texture of the object, as well as like darkness to display image to artistic value using various media. So we can look at a horse from the front view or from back view or from this side. We can see this is a dog or anything animals you can see. You must try to understand like what, uh, how to describe when you drawing texture or anatomy or anything about structure the animal. You can must try to understand. Now, how why we must draw animal. The first, drawing animals is very interesting drawing object in addition to the nature of object and people. The object can be land animals, animals in water, and or flying animals. And this object are very desired. This will enrich the drawing object to be created. And number two, the anatomy of animal has special comparison and the feature of part of its body. The type of animals that are one with another have very different size and shape. It's drawing animal we need to pay attention to their basic and shape of example round, quadrilateral, and etc. After that, we will be easy to draw the whole body, head, leg, tail, or etc. Now, the basic principle of drawing animals, specific impression of each animal, knowledge of animal anatomy, animal design structure like viewpoint, animal body proportion, texture the animal, body cover or joint or leg shape, and the shape of the animal shape. This, for example, we must to try what the start for the step basic for drawing animals. The first, you must make what a basic shape object like square or circle or triangle. No, after that, you must make a detail of object to drawing. Detail is very important. because anything you will work, detail, and then finishing is very step important when you decide. Okay. Now, thank you so much for your attention. I hope you can more practice to be good designer and don't worry about I'm not really good for drawing. Don't be sad. You must can do the best. The very important is always practice drawing for anything you see an object. Okay? Thank you for your attention. See you in next week. Bye bye.